In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find stocks with Tradingview Stock Screener. If you're someone who wants to make informed trading decisions, using a stock screener can be a game changer. It allows you to quickly narrow down thousands of stocks into a manageable list based on criteria that matter to you. Today, we'll walk through the process step by step. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, you'll learn how to set up a customized screener that aligns with your trading strategy. Now, if you don't already have a TradingView account, you can find a link in the description to sign up and follow along. First, you'll want to open TradingView. Once you're on the platform, direct your attention to the Screeners tab. Depending on your layout, you'll find it either at the top of the screen or on the sidebar. This is where you can access TradingView's powerful stock screener tool. Go ahead and click on the Screeners tab to get started. Once you're in, you'll need to select the Stocks option from the drop-down menu or the options displayed on the screen. This step ensures that you're working with the latest stock screener specifically tailored for equities, which is perfect for analyzing individual companies rather than other asset classes like ETFs or cryptocurrencies. Next, locate the plus sign near the filter menu. This button allows you to add filters, which are the key to customizing your stock screener. Click on it, and from the list of available filters, choose Market Capitalization. Market capitalization, or market cap, is the total value of a company's shares of stock. For this tutorial, set the market capitalization filter to $10 billion and above. Why? Because high market cap stocks generally offer higher liquidity and tighter bid-ask spreads, making them more stable and efficient for trading. Additionally, this step helps you avoid low-volume penny stocks, which often carry higher risks. After setting the market cap filter, click the plus sign again to add another filter. This time, search for and select the volume filter. Volume is a crucial metric as it shows the number of shares traded in a given time frame. Once you've selected it, you'll need to choose the interval that best suits your trading style. For example, if you're a day trader, you might select a one-day interval, abbreviated as 1D. Now, set the minimum volume threshold to at least 100,000 shares traded per day. This ensures that the stocks in your screener have sufficient liquidity for fast and efficient trade execution. To make things even easier to analyze, sort your stock list by volume. You can do this by clicking on the top of the volume column in the results table. Sorting the list allows you to quickly identify stocks with the highest or lowest trading activity, depending on what you're looking for. Now that you've narrowed your list a bit further, it's time to add another layer of analysis. Click the plus sign once more to add another filter. This time, look for the Technicals section and select RSI, which stands for Relative Strength Index. RSI is a popular technical indicator that measures the speed and change of price movements. Depending on your trading strategy, you'll want to set different RSI thresholds. For example, if you're looking for momentum stocks, you can set the RSI to show values above 70, which typically indicates strong upward momentum. On the other hand, if you're searching for potential reversals, you can set the RSI to display values below 30, which often signals that a stock is oversold and may be poised for a bounce. Choose the setting that aligns with your strategy. Now, take a moment to review the filtered list of stocks that your screener has generated. By this stage, you should have a curated selection of high market cap, high volume stocks with technical setups that match your preferences. If the results still feel too broad or too narrow, don't worry. You can always go back and adjust the filters to refine the list further. Customizing the filters ensures that the screener aligns perfectly with your specific trading goals and risk tolerance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've built a custom stock screener that helps you focus on the most relevant stocks for your strategy. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.